Hey folks, I'm Vilong. I'm going to teach you how to use the Pymetrics endpoint to retrieve a recruiter report that details specific details around how a candidate fares against the model for your company. I'm going to use Postman for this particular test, and I'm just going to quickly show you in this demo. All right, so I've got this pre-populated already. Basically, the key detail or field that you'll notice here that I've created here that's quite unique would be this order ID here, which I prepared earlier. The other thing you'll notice here is you need client ID, client secret. I've just happened to store this as variables, which is why you don't see the specific details here. But to show you a quick example of how to activate the session ID, you would go to the authentication endpoint, you run this command here, and this session ID will change after a certain interval, and then at which point you will need to retrieve it. So you need to retrieve it each time you want to do this request, basically. Okay, and I'll just show you what this looks like. So you'll get a link, and then you can copy and paste this link into a browser. Yep, and in this particular case, you can't see the specific report straight away, but you just because you need to log in, it's gated for privacy reasons. So you just need to log in with your Pymetrics credentials. Okay, if you want to test it out. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.